Okay, so outside unit is complete. Low voltage wiring, everything's in. And we'll be working on the inside here soon, so that's pretty much what it's supposed to look like. Wiring process done, just got to finish up some line sets inside here. All the low voltage is done. All the high voltage coming through. This is all 220. It has to be brought along the sills. It can't go underneath. It can't be onto the studs. It's got to be inside the sills. Come around, and this is the way it's got to be ran. It's brought in all new wire. The orange wire is the 220. Comes up, goes into the panel, and the new breaker is down here, so that's all ready to go. All we have to do is hook up the condensate tomorrow. So on conclusion, this is the complete job finished. Condensation line is in, air conditioning is in, condensate pump line done inside, running down into the pit.
Oh, I gotta put the pipe on, it's right there.
Yep, and that's it.